the best ricotta cheese mixture for lasagna recipe. Alright, let's kick things off by whisking our egg in a medium bowl. You want to beat it really well until it's completely uniform. I like to use a fork for this, but a small whisk works great too if you have one handy. Now comes the fun part. We're going to mix in our ricotta, and let me tell you, this is where the magic starts happening. Add in your salt, pepper, and that fresh parsley. It adds such a beautiful pop of color and flavor. Keep mixing until everything's nice and creamy, almost like a smooth spread. Time to make this mixture even more incredible by adding our cheese combo. Drop in that shredded mozzarella and Parmesan. If you're feeling adventurous like me today, throw in that Italian seasoning and garlic powder. Trust me, it takes it to the next level. Just keep stirring until everything's well combined. While we've got our amazing cheese mixture ready, let's get that oven preheating to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for getting that golden, bubbly top we're all dreaming about. Now comes the fun part of assembly. Grab your baking dish and start creating those beautiful layers. Start with a bit of marinara sauce on the bottom, then your noodles, and spread this gorgeous ricotta mixture we just made. Keep layering until you've used everything up. Also, if you want to upgrade your toaster oven, I'll leave mine, which I'm very happy with, in the video description. Time to cover this beauty with foil. Make sure it's nice and snug. Pop it in the oven and let it bake for 45 minutes. During this time, your kitchen is going to smell absolutely amazing. After those 45 minutes are up, we're going to remove that foil. This is where the magic happens. Let it bake for another 15 minutes uncovered, and watch that cheese get all bubbly and golden on top. It's seriously one of the most satisfying sights in cooking. When it comes out of the oven, I know it's tempting to dig right in. Believe me, I get it. But let's give it a few minutes to rest. This helps everything set up perfectly, making it easier to serve and even more delicious when you take that first bite.